Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add adjustment to background only in CapCut PC. So for instance, I'm going to select this photo and just click adjustment or just click adjustment in the right. So you can just for this option in here. Yeah. And yeah, for example, other than you're just going to right click on the clip, select create component clip, go to media and select the same photo as an overlay, put on top, and go to cutout, select select auto cutout or remove to background. Here we go, you can see the adjustment applied to the background only. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.